Are you looking for a quick and effective way to clean your sneakers, but you don't want to go out and spend all of those money on those potions and all those other things which you don't really need? Did you know you can actually clean your sneakers using your washing machine? Yeah, it's pretty simple. I remember one day I have these Stan Smiths, and they're like this white felt, and I kept getting them scuffed up, and I wouldn't wear them anymore. I'm like, so I went to the running shoe store, and I was like, "Hey man, do you have any products in which I can clean my shoes?" He's like, "Why do you need that?" I said, "What do you mean?" He's like, "All you need to do is take out your insoles and put them in the washing machine." I said, "What?" So I tried it. Absolutely works. Again, you don't want to overload your washing machine with too many pairs of shoes at the same time. But if you take out the insoles and you just wash them on a regular wash cycle, it actually works. I've even tried it with my designer shoes, believe it or not. There's one pair I kept getting, every time I wore them, they're white and they kept getting destroyed. I just threw them in the other day and I'm like, oh, well, if it works, I'm not going to wear them the way they look anyway. Might as well try it. And I washed them with another pair and they turned out spectacular. Have you thought about this? Have you tried this yourself? Let me know if you've tried it and if it works. It's worked for me.